In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the A2 hosting client area and request a cancellation at the end of your billing period. If you want to stop future renewals for a hosting service without shutting it down immediately, this is the safest option to choose. It allows you to keep using your service until the end of the current billing cycle while making sure you are not charged again after that period ends. To begin, go to the A2 hosting website and sign in to your client area using your account credentials. Make sure you are logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one hosting service. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll be able to access the account dashboard where your products and services are listed. From the client area, look for the services menu and open it, then select My Services. This page shows all of the hosting products and services connected to your account. Take a moment here to confirm which service you want to cancel, since it's important to choose the correct active product before moving forward. Next, click on the active product or service you want to manage. This will open the service details page where you can review the status and available account actions. On this page, find the action section and click Request Cancellation. You'll now be asked to choose the type of cancellation you want. To avoid immediate termination and simply prevent the service from renewing again, choose End of Billing Period. This option means your hosting will remain active until the current paid term expires, and then it will be canceled automatically. That's especially useful if your website, files, or email connected to that service still need to remain available for a little longer while you finish any transitions. Before submitting the request, it's a good idea to carefully review what you selected so there are no mistakes. Choosing the end of billing period option is ideal if your goal is to stop future charges while keeping access for the remainder of the term. Once you submit the cancellation request, your account should reflect that the service is set to end at the close of the billing period. If needed, you can also watch for any confirmation message or update inside your client area, so you know the request was recorded successfully. That's it. By following these steps, you can make sure your A2 hosting service will not renew again, while still staying active until your current billing period ends.